What's up everyone, it's Jermaine with another video, and in this video I'm going to talk about this little U. Now in California we have these things for our airport, something similar, and as you can see mine's expired, but Uber sent us an email telling us that it's totally okay to operate on an expired place card. But we use this orange card for the airport, and a lot of other cities use similar place cards for the airport. But I'm mainly talking about the Uber U. Because in California, if you don't drive with the U, you could be fined up to $1,000. However, I've never heard of anyone ever being fined $1,000 for not driving with the U, because it's kind of hard to figure out who's an Uber driver if they don't have the U on the front of their car, unless like someone pulls you over because they see someone sitting in the back seat. That may be a dead giveaway, but still, like, yeah, it's something that, you know, it is law in California that you should display that you are a rideshare driver, for I guess multiple reasons. I guess safety reasons, letting people know you got in the right car, and I guess for identification purposes, like if you saw a speeding car running away and you saw a U in the window, you could say, well, yeah, it was an Uber. So I guess that sort of makes sense. But yeah, you actually do want to drive with it. Sometimes when there's no one in the car, like I don't drive with my U up because like there's no one in the car. Like I may not accept another request. I may be done. I may not see any more surge pricing, so I may stop picking up people. So, then I'll take it down. So guys, when you're driving Uber, make sure you have your U on the correct way, not this way, but this way. I see a lot of drivers in the city, I guess they drive upside down with the U, but yeah, this is the correct way. And anyway, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe. If you're having an awesome day and you feel great, glad to be alive, hit the like button. Peace. That's a wrap.